What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to install the RTR front chin splitter in 18 to 21 Mustang GT or EcoBoost. Inside your box, you'll have your installation instructions and your RTR chin splitter. For this job, we're going to need a socket wrench, big or small, doesn't really matter, a 7mm socket, and a body clip removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. From underneath the vehicle, remove the 19 7mm head screws from the pan. Remove the 3 plastic rivets inside each wheel well so that the belly pan can be removed. While this installation is made to be done very easily with the bumper still on the vehicle, I went ahead and removed it just to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see what's going on. Using your wrench and 7mm socket, remove the 10 OEM screws securing the front lip. From the inside, remove the 3 small diameter plastic rivets at each side of the OEM front lip. Remove the OEM front lip and set it aside. Transfer the speed clips from the OEM front lip onto the RTR front lip spoiler. Your screwdriver or body clip removal tool will ease the removal of the speed clips. Slide the RTR front lip spoiler onto the bumper using the 3 guide pins to locate. Starting from the edges and working towards the center, reinstall the 10 OEM screws to secure the RTR front lip spoiler. Reinstall the 3 small diameter plastic rivets on each side. With the RTR chin splitter installed, all that's left to do is reinstall the belly pan. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you want to get caught up on all the other stuff that we got going on, click over here and check out all our past videos. Click down here to subscribe to the channel, that way you don't miss any of the stuff we got going on in our future episodes. And go ahead and click down here, it'll take you to rtrvehicles.com and you can check out all the other great stuff we have on the site. Whoa!